YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you in the shoebox. We're gonna keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. We got an unboxing here today from Nike. Jordan, of course. Pair's not from Nike, but it's by Nike. So let's hop right into it. This pair I purchased from Foot Locker. Stonecrest Mall, shout out to Foot Locker. The box is red, size 9. Get everything right. Everybody can see that. Did notice people that pick up their pairs at Foot Locker. Got a little sticker on the back. This pair retail for $160. What I will tell you real quick before I unbox this, y'all leave a comment below. Could not use a coupon. Couldn't use a $20 coupon, 15. Some people couldn't even use military. This was end up being a quick strike. They put it in the system at the last second. You know, let them tell it. But y'all let me know below. Y'all think all the rest of the Fearless packs is coming out? Or just collabs Jordan coming out with the Fearless pack? All of them going to be quick strike. Y'all know about them Jordan 1 mids. They're going for $130. If you don't know, I did a live video on that. I'm going to point up at the picture real quick just to let you know. But we're going to hop right into this unboxing, man. It's Fearless. Okay. Got the Nike on the box here. Got the swoosh. Once again, this box hard is red. You got a fear card. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Autographed by Michael Jordan. I ain't gonna say him personally. I'm sure they got his signature on file somewhere and they just stamping them things out the door. But it is his signature though. Same thing on here on limits like fears are often just an illusion on the wrapping, just to let y'all know. Paper, paper, paper. Sheesh. Man, hold up, man. Look, I must admit, when I was seeing the shoe, people were saying, yeah, it look like a clown shoe, this, that, and the third. I like the shoe. I mean, right off the top, I'm digging the red. That's the gem red, the cherry red. I hope that's coming up on camera. You got the Fear hang tag here in black. Once again, it says the same thing, limits. Don't worry. Speed the video up, slow it down. I will do a walk around on this shoe, let y'all know what's going on. And we're going to play that retro music so y'all can actually see, you know, up close and personal if I'm missing anything. Made in China. Got the Nike Air, of course. Patent leather blue. This is the blue chill that they use. To me, it's the same leather. It's like they just put it aside in the factory. It was like, yo, we're going to use it later on. I got to confirm this. I got to look at my Weiss and Maddie pair. I think the logo on this one is different. You got the black in the back, the black check. I like how it's going from, actually how they did this, from the red to the UNC blue. It went from red to blue. I like how they made that transition. I'll pull out the other shoe. See, man, you know your boy got a lace fetish, man. If you don't know, man, I love my laces. You get the black laces. They give you the blue laces, the UNC lace colorway. I'll probably end up wearing mine with the red ones or the black ones 9 times out of 10. And then in the summertime, go with the white if you like. Once again, you got Nike. Let's take out the shoe tree. Shoe tree got the pinch on it on both sides. It states 9 to 9.5. Right here on the shoe tree. And the inside, that's why I'm going to do the walk around for y'all, no worries. So if y'all can't see this, it says Fear. Once again, it's an illusion. Pretty much saying the same thing. Let's check out the QR code. Actually, when you stare, so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. I'm not going to hold you, though, man. I like the pair, man. A lot of people say it look like clown shoes, this, that, and the third. But this red is biting. The red brings out the shoe, especially with the red bottom. Yeah, the UNC colorway. I'm not too much of a blue fan. I do got the Mercidians. If you don't know, I'm going to leave the description below. The raffle's still open. We got the Mercidians, man. We got to get away with them Jordan 1s of cities of size 10.5. I'm going to leave that link before. You got to be following Josh and Guile on YouTube. Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks on YouTube. And bonus entries, just read the directions. You got to do some stuff on IG. But we got that 10.5. We're going to let that thing go this week. Check out my live video. I spoke to Josh and Guile when we was me and the Retro family in the game. We went live on YouTube to explain about this 10-minute head start. That's another video. Not gonna get into that right now. Not gonna hold y'all up. You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Stop playing with us, man. Retro Mafia, we up next. Still a whole lot of gang. We out. Yo, y'all still with me? Talk to him, cuzzo.
Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah, cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile him up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find him, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the time, it's full of content. Now he kicks the shit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam, double strong, mighty they stand. Retro, yo, he be the man, cause he get the mix in advance. Stockpile him straight to the box. You can't find him, just get at my man. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, it's full of content. Now he kicks with shit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam, double strong, mighty they stand. Like guns in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school, better act like you know. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the beat. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the